Hello students, welcome back to your online classes, and I hope so you all are keeping well. So we will continue with the same lesson, Anita and the honeybees, okay? And today's subtopic is from school to beekeeping. There are many lychee trees in our area. Now what happened that in the area where Anita used to live, there were many lychee trees, okay? Honeybees are attracted to the lychee flowers, and we all know that honeybees are really attracted to lychee flowers. Many people do beekeeping and collect honey, and we all have seen many people doing beekeeping, right? And by doing this they will collect honey from it, okay? I thought that I could also do this. So Anita also thought that why can't she do this beekeeping, okay? I joined a course run by the government to learn about this. So what she did? She joined a course which the government had started to make the people aware about how to do beekeeping, okay? I was the only girl in this course. And just notice at this line, because at that time people had that mentality that girls can't do such things, okay? But Anita wanted to break that stereotypes, and I will tell you what is stereotypes. Or stereotypes means having differentiation between girls and boys, okay? So she went to the training and learned that, okay? During my training, I found that honeybees lay their eggs from October to December. And what did she learn? During her training, she found that honeybees lay their eggs from October to December. This was the best time to start beekeeping. So these 2 months, October and November, these are the best months to start beekeeping. Okay. Now let's do the exercise. Have you seen any insects near flowers? Find out their names and write. Means, have you seen any insects near flowers? If you have seen, then you have to write, yes, I have seen insects near flowers, okay? Then, which insects you have seen, you have to write their names. Draw and color their pictures in the notebook. Here what you have to do is, you have to draw the picture of honeybee, okay? In your notebook, and afterwards you have to color it. And in the next page, why do you think they come to the flowers? Find out. Here what you have to do is, why the honeybees come to the flowers? You have to find out and you have to write the reasons, okay? Why they come to the flowers. When honeybees fly, there is a kind of sound. Can you try copy this sound? You have heard the sound of honeybees, no? You can also try and copy the sound of honeybees. So the next subtopic is becoming a beekeeper. I completed my beekeeping course. As she was the only girl in the course, but she still completed her dream of becoming a beekeeper, okay? But I did not have money to keep my own bees and start work. But what happened is, now she was very determined of being a beekeeper, but she did not have the money to keep her own bees and start work, okay? I continue to teach and with time could collect rupees 5,000. So So she did till she could at least collect rupees 5,000. Okay. With this money, I bought 2 boxes for keeping honeybees. So what she did? When she collected rupees 5,000, she bought 2 boxes, okay, to keep honeybees, okay. Each box cost rupees 2,000. So for each box it cost rupees 2,000. With the remaining money, I bought sugar to make the syrup for honeybees and medicines to clean the beehives. So the 2 boxes cost rupees 4,000. Okay. So with the remaining 1,000, what she did? She bought sugar, okay, from which she could make the syrup for honeybees, okay, as well as medicines to clean the beehives. Here in this picture we can see Anita making her own beehives. You can see over here in the picture. That was in September, okay. Now she started her business in the month of September, okay. By December, I had so many bees that I had to buy 2 more boxes. But what happened? By December, she had so many bees, okay. Now what she have to do? She has to buy 2 more boxes, okay. I was still learning about beekeeping. But at that time also, she was still learning about beekeeping. Many times the bees would sting me and my hands and face would get swollen. And many a times the bees would sting her hands and face, okay. So that time her hands and face get swollen, okay. It would pain a lot. When your hands get swollen, what happens? It pains a lot, okay. In the same way, Anita had also so much pain, okay. How could I complain to anybody? That means now she cannot complain to anybody. I myself had decided to do this work. Why she can't complain to anybody? Because Anita had only made decision to do this work, okay. So that is the reason now she cannot tell anyone, okay. Now here are some exercises. Let's do. Find out. What do people in your area put on the part of the body where the bee has stung? And sometimes bees stung. Bee stung, no? That time in your area, what people will apply, okay? You have to write. If they apply, whether they apply lime, sometimes they apply onion, you have to write it here, okay? Draw a picture of a honeybee in your notebook, color it and give it a name. What you have to do is you have to draw a picture of a honeybee, okay? And after drawing the picture, you have to color it and you have to give that honeybee a name, okay? You have to give name. The lychee trees come to flower in February. That means in the month of February, lychee trees gives flowers, okay. I put all my 4 boxes near the lychee orchards. That means Anita, she puts all her 4 boxes near the lychee orchards, okay. I got 12 kilograms of honey from each box, and from that 4 box total she gets 12 kilograms of honey. I sold this honey in the market. Then what she will do? She will sell all that honey in the market. This was my first earning from my bees. So this was the first earning which she had earned by selling honeybee, okay. Now I have 20 boxes. Before she had only 2 boxes, no. Then after that 4 boxes. Then now she has 20 boxes. Okay, what will be the total cost of Anita's 20 boxes? So here you have to write the total cost of 20 boxes. So this much for today. Okay, next we will continue in another video. Then I will give all the answers of the questions in WhatsApp. Okay, whatever the questions are there in the book, I will send those answers in WhatsApp. Thank you.